Your company is not claiming that Section 230 applies to the tool you have created.
Yeah, we're claiming we need to work together to find a totally new approach. I don't think Section 230 is even the right framework.
Okay, so under the law it exists today, this tool you create, if I'm harmed by it, can I sue you?
That is beyond my area of legal expertise.
Have you ever been sued?
Not for that, no.
Have you ever been sued at all, your company?
Yeah, OpenAI gets sued.
Huh?
Yeah, we've gotten sued before.
Okay, and what for?
I mean, they've mostly been like pretty frivolous things, like I think happens to any company.
But like the examples my colleagues have given from artificial intelligence that could literally ruin our lives, can we go to the company that created that tool and sue them? Is that your understanding?
Yeah, I think there needs to be clear responsibility by the companies.
But you're not claiming any kind of legal protection like Section 230 applies to your industry. Is that correct?
No, I don't think we're saying that.
Mr. Altman, why are you so willing to have an agency?
Senator, we've been clear about what we think the upsides are, and I think you can see from users how much they enjoy and how much value they're getting out of it, but we've also been clear about what the downsides are, and so that's why we think we need an agency.
So it's a major tool to be used by a lot of people.
It's a major new technology.
Okay, if you make a ladder and the ladder doesn't work, you can sue the people that made the ladder, but there's some standards out there to make a ladder. So
that's why we're agreeing with you.
Yeah, that's right. I think you're on the right track. So here's what my 2 cents worth for the committee is that we need to empower an agency that issues a license and can take it away. Wouldn't that be some incentive to do it right if you could actually be taken out of business?
Clearly that should be part of what an agency can do.
Now, and you also agree that China's doing AI research, is that right?
Correct.
This world organization that doesn't exist, maybe it will, but if you don't do something about the China part of it, you'll never quite get this right. Do you agree?
Well, that's why I think it doesn't necessarily have to be a world organization, but there has to be some sort of, and there's a lot of options here, there has to be some sort of standard, some sort of set of controls that do have global effect.
Because, other people are doing this. I got 15 seconds. Military application. How can AI change the warfare? And you got 1 minute.
I got 1 minute?
Yeah.
All right. That's a tough question for 1 minute. This is very far out of my area of expertise, but
I'll give you one example, a drone. Can a drone, you can plug into a drone the coordinates and it can fly out and it goes over this target and it drops a missile on this car moving down the road and somebody's watching it. Could AI create a situation where a drone can select the target itself?
I think we shouldn't allow that.
Well, can it be done?
Sure.